A client handed me 5 social accounts last month. 5 brands, 5 logins, 5 different posting schedules, and 1 phone in my hand. And I didn't buy a second device, didn't juggle SIM cards, and didn't log out of a single account all month. All 5 ran at the same time on separate phones from one browser tab. And today I'm not just going to talk about how, I'm going to run it live. 3 phones on screen at once. If it falls apart, you'll watch it fall apart. Quick intro if this is new to you. DuoPlus is a cloud phone platform, and a cloud phone is exactly what it sounds like. A real Android device that lives on a server somewhere instead of in your pocket. Not an emulator. Not a browser profile pretending to be a phone. Real Android 15, running on real hardware, that you open in a browser tab and use like any normal phone. Tap, swipe, install apps, log in. And here's the part that matters. Every cloud phone you make is its own separate device. Its own storage, its own settings, its own location, its own SIM data. Phone 1 has nothing to do with phone 2. One account, one phone, no mixing. Oh, and there's a free tier. Sign up through my link and you get free cloud phones to test with, so you can follow along right now without paying anything. Let's get into the real test. First job. Prove that more than one phone actually runs at the same time, because plenty of tools promise this and then choke the second you open a third window. I'm in the dashboard. Every cloud phone I've created sits here as its own card, named, grouped, ready to go. I'm going to power on 3 of them, not one at a time. All 3. There it is. 3 live Android phones side by side in one browser tab. TikTok on the first, Instagram on the second, Facebook on the third. 3 different accounts, all logged in, all running, and none of them touching each other. Watch what happens when I scroll on phone 1. Phone 2 doesn't freeze. Phone 3 doesn't log out. They're not sharing anything because they're not the same device. And there's a built-in app store, so I'm not installing TikTok on each phone one by one like a maniac. Pick the app, tick the phones, install everywhere at once. That's the setup work gone in about 30 seconds. Okay, but opening 10 phones is the easy part. Actually running 10 phones is where this normally becomes a full-time job you didn't ask for. So this is the feature I actually cared about testing. DuoPlus has a built-in AI agent, and it works across multiple cloud phones at the same time. You write the task in plain English, not a recorded click sequence, not a script with coordinates. You just tell it what you want done. Then you pick which phones it should run on, and it goes. So watch. I'm telling it to open the app, go through the feed, and reply to new comments. And I'm pointing it at 3 phones. Not 1, 3. 3 different accounts, 3 different environments, 1 instruction. And look at the difference between this and the old school automation tools. Those record your taps, and break the moment a button moves 2 pixels. The agent here reads what's actually on the screen and works it out. App updates, layout changes, it adapts. If you're handling accounts for clients, that's hours back in your week every week. There's one more piece, and honestly, it's the thing that stops most people before they even get started. Phone numbers. Every new account wants one. And if you've gone down the cheap temporary SMS route, you already know how that story ends. The number works once, then it's gone. And 2 months later, the platform asks you to verify, and you're locked out of your own account. DuoPlus sells cloud numbers inside the platform. You buy a number, bind it to a cloud phone, and use it to register your accounts and pull verification codes. It stays yours. So when that verification prompt shows up 6 months from now, the number is still sitting there waiting. Registration, verification, 2-factor, same place as everything else. That's the whole point of this platform, really. Nothing lives in a different tab. So, back to those 5 client accounts. 5 phones running side by side in one tab. The AI agent handling the repetitive work across all of them. Cloud numbers keeping every account verified and mine. That's not a stressful month anymore. It's a setup that runs itself. My honest verdict, is it perfect? No tool is. Cloud phones cost money to keep running, and you'll spend your first hour figuring out where everything lives. And one thing I'll say plainly, this is a tool for accounts you actually own, or accounts you've been hired to run. Use it that way, and it's the cleanest multi-account setup I've tested. It's free to start, so there's no reason not to run this exact test yourself. Open 3 phones, put them side by side, and see if it fits how you work. Links in the description and pinned in the comments. Go set it up. I want to hear how many phones you end up running.